Scribble toys. It is a very simple one that you can make also. Welcome to Harold's Curious Mind! Now we're going to attach this to the 1x2 with dots. There. Now let's put this eye. Wow, see? Now we're going to get the ears. The ears is yellow and red. So we attach it on the 2x4 or the 8x1. Now we attach it. We're going to do the rest. We attach this 3 parts of these. I mean the 2 part of the blue ones and 2 part of the 1x2 flat. So tween is a short word for teenager. I use that name because I saw it on Google. And see, this is the forehead with the eye and ears. And then we're going, we still need spot for this. It's the fourth face. Now we're done with the face, head, and eye, and ears. Now we're going to do the mouth. Or beak. It has the beak. Attach these 1x2 cups. Now we're going to attach the teeth. See? This is how the attachment looks like. This is how I'm going to attach it. Now we're going to attach the mouth part, the bottom of the mouth. Next for these green parts, I mean the blue and orange. Next we're going to attach the neck. Now the head, the first part is done. Now let's do the minifigure. It's the Lego person. There. Now we attach this. Now, next we're going to attach the helmet. Now there. So now I'm making the moving thing of it. It's like a car. Next, attach this blue one. Now the yellow one. Yes, this yellow one. Or just this. Now we have to make this bottom of it and put the wheels. But the wheels is for the later. It's from this bottom. Now we're going to put the Lego person. Now see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Next, we're going to put the tail of it. So this is a tail of it. We'll attach these parts. It's the decorations. We have to put the decorations right there. I forgot it. Now I'm going to put the wheels. There are 2 different wheels. It is this one with the gray wheel or with the tire. It's got to be the normal tire. Then I'll put the last 2 wheels. It's the black wheel with the normal tire. Just like with the other one, it has normal tires, but this one is black. Now this is what it looks like.